Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. So let's jump right in. Importance of knowing your graphics card. Checking graphics card via system information. The simplest way to check your graphics card in Windows 11 is through the built-in System Information tool. To access this, right-click on the Start button and select System. Here, you'll find an array of information about your system, including the Device Specifications section, where you can see the details of your graphics card. Using DirectX Diagnostic tool. Another tool at your disposal is the DirectX Diagnostic tool. To open it, press Windows plus R to bring up the Run dialog, type dxdiag, and hit Enter. In the System tab, you'll find your graphics card under the Device section. The Display tab provides additional information about your graphics card, such as the driver version and display memory. Checking in Device Manager. For a more detailed view, head over to the Device Manager. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters category, and voila! There's your graphics card listed by name. PowerShell Command. For those who prefer a command line approach, Windows PowerShell can provide the information you need. Right-click on the Start button, select Windows PowerShell, Admin, to run it with administrative privileges, and then type Get-WmiObject, classWin, 32_video controller, and hit Enter. This command will display detailed information about your graphics card. Task Manager. Surprisingly, even the Task Manager can give you a quick overview of your GPU usage. Simply right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Performance tab, click on GPU on the left side, and you'll see your GPU listed, along with its utilization. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. Several ways to check which graphics card you have on Windows 11. Whether you prefer a user-friendly graphical interface or a command line adventure, Windows 11 provides multiple avenues to unveil the mystery behind your GPU. Knowing your graphics card is the first step in unlocking its full potential. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Got questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop a comment below. Until next time, happy exploring and take care.